This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to connect Notion to Claude. So I'm logged into my Claude account, my Anthropic Claude account. As you can see right here, this is a brand new message thread. Whether you are here with a brand new message thread or you have a ton of different messages in an existing message thread, it doesn't matter. You will come down to the bottom left here where it says add files, connectors and more. This is this plus icon right here. We will click that one and we'll come down about halfway down to connectors. Now, any connectors that you currently have added, you will see at the top here, like you can see that I have this Canva connection right here. To add a new one, we're adding Notion, so we're going to click on add connector right here. Now what you'll see here, all of these connectors, they are plugins, apps that you can add to your Claude account to make it more useful. So as you scroll down, you can see some of the different ones you have here, like Canva, Gmail, Google Drive, Microsoft 365, Figma, and we see Notion right here. So Notion is currently the number 6 most popular. If for some reason you're watching this video in the future and you don't see Notion here, as you scroll down, you can literally just search for Notion in the top, and Notion will come up and be present right at the very top of that search. So all we're going to do now is click on this Notion box. Very, very simple. We get this blurb on what will actually take place with this connection. But what we want to do is click on this big black connect button in the top right corner, and that will grant access to Notion. So this will then connect to your Notion account. You can see Matt's Notion right here. You will then click on continue, and that will connect that Notion account to your Claude. I'm not going to go through the full how-to of what you can do, but essentially your Claude can now talk to your Notion. So you can start to prompt to Notion directly from here. You can ask for changes with different databases, with different pages. You can ask it to create just about anything. Things that you might not be able to physically do in Notion or have the know-how to do, you can ask directly here in the messages, just like you would when you communicate with Claude for anything else. And it will directly actually make changes to your live Notion account, which is pretty awesome. So there you go. That is how you connect Notion to your Claude account. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.